All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Saturday phrasal verbs. So opt for, to choose something. To opt for this, opt for that. To choose. So maybe this one or that one. Yeah, I'm not so sure. Yeah. I will opt for the other one. We opted for the cheaper one. Which will you opt for? I think you should opt for the latest one. The latest one. Yeah. Definitely. We might opt for those instead. Are you going to opt for that one or this one? Yeah. Are you going to opt for that one or this one? Which one will you choose? Which one will you choose? Plenty to opt from. There are plenty to opt from. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. We opted for the vegetarian food last night. Yes. We opted for the healthy food. Yeah. Whoops. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. This is what I'm opting for. Yeah, the healthier one. Yeah. We are opting for. We're opting for the latest ones. Which other else? What else? What else? Of course, we will opt for the latest ones. Of course, we will opt for the new ones. Of course. Do you think I should opt for that one? Well, maybe. Maybe. I might have to opt for that one. It depends. Yeah, it depends on how I am feeling or what I want to achieve. It depends on things, yeah. But I always opt for more privacy. Yeah. I either choose to open up or opt in for privacy. I opt for privacy instead. How cool is that, language explorers? Now, can you use opt for in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. There we are. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.